Let's rate some viral food hacks starting with Magnum and croissant. They only had the mini croissants in stock, but that's not the point. Run food. 8 out of 10. Salted peanuts and Coke. Wow! It tastes exactly like peanuts and Coke. 5 out of 10. Viral Japanese cheesecake. In the fridge for about 5 weeks. This one concerns me the most. Like, it's not making sense in my head. Three out of 10. Viral Hong Kong iced tea. Chill upside down for about 2 years. There's no reason for this not to taste nice. I'll give this a 9 out of 10.